In last video, I talked about what is global object in Node.js. In this video, I'll talk about what is module in Node.js. So without any delay, let's head back to VS Code. I already taken an index.html file. It's a basic HTML boilerplate code. After that, I added two scripts. One is script1.js and another is script2.js. If I go to this script1.js file, then you can see nothing is there. If I go to script2.js file, then you can see it is also an empty file. Now if I go to browser, I already loaded this index.html file and open browser console, then you can see nothing is there, which is expected behavior. Now I'll declare a variable var a is equals to 10, then console this variable, save the file, go to browser, we can see 10 output. Keep in your mind, I already installed a live server plugin to Visual Studio Code to reload HTML file automatically when I save the file. If you don't see the output, just reload the browser tab. Alright. Now comment out this line right now. Now go to script2.js file and override this variable a by 20 and do console this variable a. Now save the file, go to browser console, we can see 20 output, which is expected behavior. Now question is, what is the problem here? Just imagine that script1 is a very large file which is developed by a developer, and script2 is also a large file which is developed by another developer. And for any reason, other developer may reassign this variable a. By this reassigning variable, it may occur problem, it may occur unexpected behavior. So we might not want to do this for some cases. Now question is how to solve this overridden issue. Well, we can solve this overridden issue by if function. I hope you already knew about if function. I mean immediately invoked function expression. That means a function called by itself. Now I can go to script1.js file. Let's see how if function looks like. First of all, I'll write an anonymous function. Wrap the function by parentheses and call the function, and that is as simple as if function. Now cut the variable declaration and paste inside this if function. For now, comment out this script2.js file code. Now do a console this variable a outside of this if function. Save the file, go to browser, we can see we got an error which is variable a is not defined. Well, I already defined this variable. Why you are getting this type of error? Basically, when you wrap up some code by if function and it is not available outside of this if function, that means a is only available within this if function. We can do console this variable a within this if function as well. If I commit this line for now, save the file, go to browser, we can see 10 output. If I uncommit this line again, then you can see we got same error. If variable a is not available outside of this if function, then of course variable a must not available outside of this file. I mean script2.js file. And this pattern is called modular pattern. Now back to Node.js. By default, every file is encapsulated or separated in Node.js file. The idea of encapsulation is called module in Node.js. That means in Node.js, when you declare something, then by default it's not available to other file. So this separation is called module in Node.js. So that's all about module in Node.js, and that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in next video.